Welcome to Crescent Hammer YouTube page. This week, we're gonna do some stuff. Turns this engine into a race car engine. Maybe. Steady. Ooh. High capacity oil pump. Oil pan has the cool little traps that open up and close when oil falls in there to keep the oil flow. First issue I have is that hole isn't big enough. These head studs, I guess, are bigger than stock, so these main studs are bigger than stock, so I gotta drill this hole out a little bit bigger. I was installing the pickup tube and I noticed one little issue. To get this to go all the way down in there, it smokes this little bolt right here. That didn't really do anything either. There we go. That side's torqued down to 10. Alright, got this guy torqued down to 28 foot-pounds. All of these is 18 foot-pounds. These rear cover torque is 108 inch-pounds. Which is just, you multiply that by 12, or divide it by 12, get 9 foot-pounds. Just slid the dipstick in there just to kind of look at it, see how it'll work. Should work fine. Obviously I can't install it yet because you need to install this after you have the headers on there. And that's how you install an oil pan. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. And remember, this isn't a how-to video. This is how I did it.